So welcome to all of you, and today we are going to discuss aldol condensation reactions, which is very important reaction in organic chemistry. Okay, and I have also mentioned the main reactions regarding this, and also mentions that and the lecture is well explained, and expectation regarding the reactions is very high as several types of exams concept. Please understand the concept not as similarly, okay, because if your concept will be clear, then you can understand the mechanism of this reaction as well as other mechanism. Okay, so please understand the concept. Okay, so let's on the first slide. So I have explained that it is a type of condensation reactions, and in this, first of all, inulate ion is formed, and after inulate ion is formed, and this inulate ion reacts with a carbonyl compound. Okay, so this carbonyl compound is electron deficient. Okay, you can say electrophile. Okay, so since base is added here, so OH minus abstract this hydrogen, so that's why this is the alpha hydrogen, because it present near CO. So any hydrogen if present near CO, it is called alpha hydrogen. So first of all, this OH abstract hydrogen, so that's why this carbon act as a nucleophile which attack on this carbonyl. So that's why after dehydration, your desired product will form this one. Okay, since in this water molecule is released, so this is called dehydration step. So two step involved: one is inulate ion formation, second is dehydration. Okay, so in this desired product, you can say this the main fragment moiety is or scaffold moiety. You can say this is enones, or you can say alpha beta unsaturated ketone. So I have also mentioned it is an important reaction in organic synthesis, commonly used in university levels, and it is also used in the carbon-carbon bond formation. Okay, so in the second slide, I have mentioned the difference between Claisen-Schmidt condensation and aldol condensation. In Claisen-Schmidt condensation, in this, the one species is aldehyde or ketone, but other species is aromatic carbonyl compound lacking of alpha hydrogen. Means in if compared from aldol condensation, this Claisen-Schmidt condensation, there is no requirement of alpha hydrogen. Okay, so it is the best example dibenzylidene acetone. And mechanism, if you see here, so mechanism first I have also draw the mechanism regarding this reactions. So first of all, OH will act on the abstract hydrogen from this, so that's why it is converted to CH2 minus, which acts as a nucleophile here. If you see in solution form, it two species is formed, so it will be interconverted, so that's why other step will be slow. Okay, because interconversion in this takes place, so that's why the rate of reaction will be decreased because it is converted to CH3. So that's why there is a need of CH2, means nucleophile is needed, so that's why this step is slow, and this will attack on this electron deficient sign, so that's why this species will form. Since water is present in this molecule, so that's why this electrophile O minus will abstract hydrogen from this and converted to this species. This step is very fast. In the next step, if you see the condensation, so in this what takes place, this bond shifted this one, and this OH will be released out. Since one hydrogen is also released out, so that's why water is released out, and this double bond will be formed here. So this fragment moiety will form in the reactions. Okay, so it is your desired products. So I think you will understand what I want to say. So this is the main reactions, and this is the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, understanding of mechanism is very important because the starting material will be changed in competitive exams. Okay, so you will consider that any species, one will be the alpha hydrogen, having alpha hydrogen, other will be the ketone. Okay, so that's why one nucleophile will be in one, means one starting material furnish the nucleophile, while other acts as a electrophile. So that's why the changing in starting material, okay, can deviate to you. So that's why you will only concept keep in concept your mind that one species having alpha hydrogen and other species having electrophile. Okay, so that's why mechanism involves, and this this fragment moiety will be formed here. Okay, starting material can vary, no doubt. Okay, so I think your concept will be clear regarding the aldol condensation. So please thanks. So lastly, thanks you for your kind attention in this lecture, and please don't forget and subscribe this channel because this channel is very new, and for your appreciations, because one sub if you subscribe, then definitely the probability is much more to develop this channel. Okay, so that's why we can further will upgrade this channel. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and meet you again. Okay, so thank